Let's take a closer look at our spin wheel pop-up. Our gamified spin wheel has a nearly 10% opt-in rate, making it the most effective one of our pop-up offerings. This means 1 in every 10 visitors who see the pop-up on your website will subscribe. Let's dive in and I'll show you how to set one up. First, select a theme. Our design team has created over 3,000 for you to choose from. Use the filters at the top to search and choose the perfect one for your website, such as by holiday, style, or color. Don't worry, you can always customize it further at a later time. Next, select which information you'd like to collect from your subscribers, such as their name, email address, phone number, or birthday. You can also enable double opt-in. Check if the customer already subscribed before. Allow customers to subscribe multiple times, and more. If you're using a third-party email marketing platform, you can take this optional step to integrate so our pop-up will forward collected subscriber data to it. Otherwise, you can simply skip this step and use our app's own email marketing feature. This step is where you can define which rewards your customers could win on the spin wheel. For example, a 15% off discount, free shipping code, or a $5 gift card code. Let's take a look at the reward behavior first. By default, the spin wheel will not land on a losing slice, so everyone is a winner. If you enable this option, your customers could land on a losing slice. We generally don't recommend this because it wouldn't help your conversion rate for sales. The reward can be automatically applied at checkout. You can choose if you want your customers to see the code directly in the pop-up after subscribing, or only receive the code through email. The Below section is where you can edit the characteristics and properties of each slice on the wheel. You can choose if the slice should have a prize or not. Then select if you want the reward type to be a coupon or a gift card code. Attach a reward code that you've created on our platform or import one that you've already created on Shopify. Then customize the title of the slice or keep it as is. This is what customers will see on each of the slices as it spins. Lastly, you can set the probability of landing on a given slice by adjusting the weight. By default, your customer has an equal chance of landing on any slice. If the weight of a particular slice is higher relative to the weight of other slices, then the higher the probability of landing on that particular slice. As a tip, you can see what the win rate percentage is for any individual slice by looking at the slice title summary. This is the fun part. You can customize the design to your liking, such as choosing colors, uploading your own images, and changing the text. Don't forget to update the reward view too. To fine-tune it even further, you can add your own custom CSS or JS code. On the trigger step, you can decide when to show or stop showing your pop-ups. For example, show the pop-up if the user tries to close the page, or after waiting 5 seconds. You can also have it appear after the user scrolls past a certain amount of your page, or if the user is inactive after a few seconds. If a visitor has already seen it, you can set it so the pop-up will only appear to them once every few days, sessions, or page views to avoid annoying them. You can also set it to stop showing after a visitor has already subscribed to the pop-up or after they've seen it. We recommend turning on the teaser trigger. This is a great way to reduce drop-offs and increase opt-ins. It allows your customers to easily access the pop-up at any time so they can come back and subscribe later when they're ready. You can set the same or different trigger rules for customers using a desktop or mobile device. We recommend sending an email or SMS text to customers immediately after they subscribe. You could also schedule these to be sent several days afterwards. Simply edit the content by clicking on the pencil icon and then publish once you're ready. That's it. Click Review and see if you want to make any changes. If you want to see how it would look on your site before publishing it, click on Preview on Site. Looks great. Let's go back and publish it so it will be live on our website. We hope you enjoyed this tutorial on how to set up a spin wheel pop-up. If you have any questions or want to learn some best practices, reach out to our support team who are available nearly 24/7 on live chat.